Hi guys, I'm Susu. Today I want to show you our original design Tuscan sofa. Inspired by the Roman column. As people know, column has many different column, and why we inspired by the Tuscan? Because Tuscan has very minimalist and clean design column. Look at our cylindrical bed. Actually, this is totally inspired by the Tuscan column. So we are not only keep this design, we also keep the backrest with up and down functional. Like this one, when you move up, supporting your head, very comfortable. When you lower down, supporting your lumbar is very comfortable. So for total, this is model, I think we redesign and adjustable 10 times. Actually, we spent 1 year design this model, especially the last 6 months. We adjustable many times. Like this part, we put the coffee side table with wireless charge and USB charging as well. Yeah, so I hope this is model you guys will like it. And if you are interested or you have a comment, please draw a comment and contact us.